Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome to my channel. I have a Milwaukee Sawzall here and I'm going to show you how to change this piece right here, which you can see it's damaged. Also, I have a part right here that's broke. I'm going to swap that out as well. You can change this out without taking this off, but this is pretty much damaged, so I'm going to just take it off first. As you can see, this here is damaged really bad. Don't know what happened to it. I'm going to swap this out. Okay, I got the first two screws out. They came out from right here. I'm going to do the other side and show you how I took them out. I took a 1/8 inch Allen and I put it right through these holes right here. There's 4 screws, so there's 4 holes in this right here. The only way this rubber piece will come off is this front piece has got to come off first. So just take it, put it in there like this, line it up. If it's too tight this way, like right there, it's in there but it's tight, put it in this way. Just feel around. If you have to, move that rubber around a little bit, get it locked in there, break it loose, then go ahead and run it out as far as it'll go. You'll feel it clicking when it's all the way out. You'll just feel it. You might be able to hear it. Do this one the same way. Break it loose. Run it all the way out. Okay. Now that I got those all the way up, you can take your hemostats and a screwdriver and you can pull up on this, reach your hemostats in there and pull these out one at a time. Just like so. Might just be able to pull the whole thing out now. Okay, there it is. Comes right out. There we go. Now this is out. You can throw this away. We'll go ahead and pull this out. There it is. Yeah, this is pretty rubbery. Now I can go ahead and take this off. Now what I want to do is go ahead and put all the screws back in these holes. All 4 of them. 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. You don't have to tighten them all the way down, just take them all the way to the bottom. Now that they're in, I'll go ahead and flip it over. And I'll put these 2 in on this side. Okay, now that they're in, I'm going to go ahead and change this out real quick while it's accessible. Here's the new piece that's going to go on there. You can get this off Amazon. Go ahead and use the same Allen wrench, a 1/8. You can put it right in here. If I can get it in there. Break that loose. Go ahead and take it out. Here's the other one. See that little dimple right there sticking out? It goes in this hole right here. Just put it on like that. Go ahead and put the screw in it. Now I go ahead and take this and put it over top of it like so. All the way down. We have access to the screws. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one right here. And it is also, this one says 5/32. So this one here says it's a 5/32 Allen. So I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in here. See how it's pushing it up? I'm going to do that on both sides. Okay, now that I got that set. This is the new piece I'm going to put on there. As you can see, it has no end on it. You can just slide this in there and make sure you put it on there right. It should go in there just like this. Line it up, push it in there. Go ahead and tighten these back down. Now I'm going to take this 1/8 and make sure that it's tight. Because this is just a 5/32, I think it might be a tad small, but it'll get them ran down in there pretty quick without tearing it up. Okay. Go ahead and tighten these down. And there it is. Everything's set up. Works pretty good. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.